Hello student, good afternoon. Today we will start the multiple alleles blood groups and ABO system. Blood group and ABO system. Blood groups, the RBC's membrane contains a variety of antigens called agglutinogens. Chemically, they are glycolipids and are inherited as Mendelian dominants. The most important and best known of these are the capital A and capital B antigen, which continue the ABO system. According to this system, the individuals of human beings are divided into 4 major blood types. Blood groups based on the antigen in RBCs. 4 blood groups: capital A, capital B, capital AB and O. These are the 4 blood groups: A, P, AB and O. Beside this, RH system is also well known. RH system means RH factor, RH positive, RH negative. Other system are Yamian, Kell, Duffy, etc. are also useful. Blood groups antibodies. Antibodies against agglutinogens are called as agglutinins. Antibodies are mainly produced in the bone marrow. Antibodies are produced in the bone marrow and in the spleen, liver and lymph nodes. The blood group's antibodies belong to the serum globulin and may be divided into 2 broad groups. Antibodies divided into 2 parts: immune and naturally occurring. Immune antibodies, immune power, pratikar shakti. Immune antibodies, they may be produced by exposure to red cells of another individuals due to transfusion pregnancy. Why fetal red cells cross the placenta and enter the circulation of the mother. If the RH type, number 1, if the RH positive type of blood is transfused to a RH negative person, then the recipient person is said to be immunized and the corresponding antibody, RH antibody, will be present in the serum. Present in the serum. Red blood cells from a fetus carrying an antigen inherited from its father but absent in the mother, may also produce the equivalent immune antibodies by entering the material circulation through placenta. Refer fibroblastosis. Immune antibodies only can cross the placenta. Molecular weight is 15,000. Naturally occurring antibodies. These antibodies are present in the serum of and individuals who has never been immunized by equivalent. These antibodies are first to be formed in a new born animals or human, example anti-A and anti-B agglutinase. Their molecule weight is 900,000 and cannot cross the placenta. The antigen antibodies relationship is comparable with log-key relation. Plasma of a blood recipient, B antigen, transfusion of blood donor, antigen antibodies complex form and agglutination. Diagram showing the agglutination responses blood of recipient and of donor blood groups. The ABO system. In the blood groups system, there are 4 types of blood groups as A, B, AB, and O. The A, B, and AB blood groups were discovered Carl Landsteiner in 1900, whereas O type was discovered by D. Castillo and Sterling in 1902. Blood type A, RBC with A antigen, RBC with A antigen, RBC with B antigen, B, blood type B. Blood type AB, antigen AB in RBCs. No O blood group, no antigen in RBC of O blood group, no antigen in RBC. 4 blood groups of ABO system with their antigen RBCs and antibodies in plasma. Group. The ABO blood groups and their compatibility. Group blood cell antigen, plasma serum, can donate blood to, can receive blood from genotype. A blood group, blood cell antigen A, plasma serum anti-B, can be donate AB, means A blood group person donate the blood group A and AB, can receive blood from O and A, genotypes IA or IA small I. Second number, B blood group, anti plasma serum anti-A, can donate blood to B blood group and AB blood group, can receive blood group O and B, IB or IB small I. Third number, AB blood group, blood cell antigen A and B, plasma serum antibodies none, can donate blood to AB blood group donate the AB only, can receive blood from all universal recipient. AB blood group can receive the all types of AB and O also